Hey, hi everyone. My name is Rajendra Rao and I welcome you all to my channel End of Ignorance. Friends, today I will demonstrate you one experiment that will help you to understand the valuable scientific concept with the help of a toy. Friends, for this experiment, I have taken one CD, one spinner, and a glue gun. You can take any glue. First of all, we have to apply a layer of glue to the central part of this spinner. And after that, we have to carefully attach that central part of the spinner to the central part of the CD like this. Okay. Now let's see. After the glue dry up, I want to stand this disc vertically. Let's see what happened. The disc fell. Now why this happened? Well, as expected, this happened because of unequal mass distribution. As you will see, CD is not falling. Right? Hey friends, all of you saw that this didn't fall. But why this happened? This happened because when I rotated the spinner, it generates a torque. And that torque balances the gravitational force and didn't cause the disc to fall. But when the spinner stopped, the disc fell again. Now, you must also have observed the disc was also rotating along with the spinner. But what is the reason behind it? This happened because of conservation of angular momentum. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and please share this video. And please don't forget to hit the like and leave a comment.